Hello guys, my name is Joel and today I'm gonna teach you different sums. So please follow us. A minimum part is a part of word that differ by only one sums. When we said only one sums, that means that the sum is similar, but it doesn't mean the same things. So I'm gonna show you some example here. The first one here is ship. The word ship, some shore. So versus ship is some lamb. So you can see here, different meanings, but the same sums. So I'm also here some word that you can make homework on home. So the first one I really pronounce that, so I would like that you help me to pronounce. So the second one here, so you can see sip. That's a good sum. But I have here sip, long sum. Sip, shore. And also I have different word here. The third one here is live. As you know, it's shore. But I have live. Some like similar some, but it doesn't mean the same. I mean, it's not the same. But I have also some example here that I'm gonna pronounce. So the ship is white, and also I have take a seat, please. I feel great today, but I hope that you feel great as well. Thank you guys for your attention. I hope that you enjoy your weekend and God bless you.